Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Great time to be live. So let's jump into the freaking content without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in-house express my opinion, guys. So it looks like most of the crypto is down, Ethereum is down, and Litecoin is down. So let's take a look at a heat map and see exactly what is going on. So we are seeing that, once again, we're seeing that most of the cryptocurrencies are just going range bound, very thin trading, guys. Very thin volumes out there. So that is what's going on. If you take a look at the total market cap, the market cap, let me give this a minty refresh out there. We are seeing that the market cap once again is almost neutral out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is like 16A. We're seeing $1,200 for Ethereum. And if you take a look at what's going on with Doge is down 1%. And unfortunately out there, if you're one of the Dogecoin army, one of the Dogecoin lovers out there, we are seeing that Dogecoin has below $10 billion out there. So that's not too good. Ouchie. We are seeing right now the DXY is still going sideways at 104.220 out there. Everything is going sideways. Bitcoin is going sideways as well. Some people are saying that Bitcoin could break down to a technical support of 13,537. That could happen. If that happens, I'm not going to be depressed. I'm not going to be upset. I'm not going to panic sell. I'm just going to keep on keeping on, guys. So that's what I'm doing. We're seeing that also weekly right now. We got 5 days, 11 hours left on the weekly, and we're also seeing a red candle out there. Now, for Ethereum right now, this morning we did see that Ethereum did print a nice long entry level, but that's been invalidated right now because we are seeing that Ethereum is down about 1% out there. So we had this whole short entry position, and this indicator was pretty correct, and we did have a short entry position. So we're seeing that Ethereum is just going sideways. I think that we're probably going to be going sideways probably until Thursday when we get the job data coming out as well. I don't expect too much. Looks like just in 9.6 trillion asset management Fidelity files trademark applications for an NFT marketplace and crypto trading service. So looks like this is pretty bullish, guys. Fidelity is jumping into crypto, jumping into metaverse. So that is pretty bullish out there, guys. Looks like Defrost hacker returns stolen funds. It's there. Is there an ethics scam to watch out for? So it looks like the hacker responsible for the $12 million hack on Defrost returned all the exploited funds. So that is pretty good. The DEX will still soon launch a smart contract, guys. It's an interesting turn of events that the attack on the Avalanche Defrost Finance returned the funds he siphoned off the decentralized exchange. The surprising return came a day after the initial flash loan attack and took place on this 25th of December. Merry freaking Christmas out there, guys. So that's kind of interesting, guys. So remember, guys, never use bridges. Absolutely never use bridges. If you're gonna do anything on DeFi, guys, use the native tokens, guys. Avoid bridges. Bridges are bad news bears. Looks like Kabasu, the real Shiba Inu breed dog behind Dogecoin, is seriously. So, guys, all of the pictures we see of Dogecoin, all of the logos and trademarks for Dogecoin. This is the original dog right here, guys, and it looks like he's sick right now. So, we just want to basically hats off and wish him well. Hopefully it gets better, but apparently it's not looking too good right now. So guys and gals, let's all pray for Kabasu to get better, guys. This is the original meme, the original Dogecoin meme dog out there. So I'm feeling a little bit sad about that. Looks like Near Protocol Project Octopus network lays off 40% of the team. So that's not bullish, guys. Absolutely not bullish out there. Looks like South Korea's exchange corporate forecast for 2023. The Fed's shift will lead to a recovery in crypto market. And looks like the first half of 2023 looks like the corporate is forecasting that we could see a lot of the cryptocurrencies recovering. That is pretty good, as more sovereign countries accept Bitcoin as legal tender or included in investments, assets, and government agencies and pensions, central banks, etc. So that is pretty bullish that we could see by the first half of 2023. We could see a nice reversal, and things are going up, guys. So don't expect too much, guys. Expect a lot of chop at least until the first quarter of 2023. Looks like as soon as the Fisher indicator touches the dark line here, this indicates that the bottom is in for altcoins, guys. So as soon as the Fisher transform crosses the 0.75 line, this is often the indication for the bull run for cryptocurrencies, guys. So we've seen it here. When we touch the black line, This is basically equal to the Fisher transform bottom. We saw that in 2019, 2015. And once we get to this yellow zone here, this is often a very bullish indicator, guys. So looks like, we've just hit bottom, and it looks like this only means reversal to the upside. So that is pretty good if this does pan out. Some bad news for crypto holders and Bitcoin holders right now. Looks like we could be seeing current prices are causing significant losses both for short-term and long-term holders right now. So that is not pretty good. That is not good out there. There are almost 1.889585 or 31 billion Bitcoin held by short-term holders, and almost 102 billion held by Bitcoin long-term holders, and they're all in the loss right now. They're losing money, guys. So what should you be doing? Do absolutely nothing, guys. I'm not going to be doing anything until probably the 3rd or 4th of January. I'm not going to do anything, guys. I'm just going to wait on the sidelines, guys. Wait with some dry powder and see how these markets swing, guys. Because we like I said, we've been seeing the Bitcoin has just been trading sideways for a very long time, and it will and must make a big move sooner than later, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. What else is coming in? If you were SBF, what do you think? What would you do at this point? So it looks like Anderson asked the former chair, Jay Clayton, what should be doing. So let's listen to that. I think it's kind of interesting. What should he be doing? What you should be doing?
So now we have Caroline Ellison, we have Wang, and possibly others who I imagine they're flipping, prosecutors flipping. If you are Sam Bankman-Fried, what do you do at this point? Meaning, do you plead? Do you not plead?
What would you do
if he were to get anything? If he were to be convicted? You could see this being a Madoff situation where he would actually be in prison for the rest of his life. He's 30 years old right now. Right. Do you think that you could plead guilty? What kind of settlement could potentially be politically palatable where you could say, I will plead guilty, I will spare everybody, going through, years of trials and whatnot. But for what? What kind of sentence would be acceptable to the public?
That's a good question. That's a good question.
That you think would be a reasonable deal?
Look, I'm not a criminal defense attorney,
right?
So we're all sort of armchair quarterbacks on
exactly.
this. Let's which is probably what's been discussed around the dinner table over the last few days.
At Andrew's dinner table.
At my dinner table, we were trying to figure it out, thinking through.
Yeah.
Would 30 years, 40 years, 50 years?
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Please comment.
All of these things will be the subject of negotiation if there is some kind of plea arrangement. And like you said before, there's a ton of considerations that are going to go into this. Yeah. Are we going to get to the bottom of it? Are we going to demonstrate that?
Right.
That's So we will see. I think there will be tremendous pressure to reach a resolution absent a trial, though.
Yeah, but the cruelest irony is that in the interim, customers are waiting on their money. They may never get it back, and meanwhile, the people advising on the process are making, I believe the CEO is making $1,300 an hour, and you and I both covered the 2008 financial crisis. What did Milbank and others make from the Lehman wind down? $4 billion.
You make a great point, and it's a general point, which is that time is money. And when someone is victimized, and this goes way beyond the FTX situation, someone's victimized in a security situation or otherwise, getting their money back in 5 years is almost the same as not getting it back at all. And one of the things that you want to see is when there are retail victims involved in securities matters, is that you get them their money back as quickly as possible.
That's key.
And that is that is what I would say.
What do you think the chances that there's actually money there, or that it's all really just been gambled?
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Comment.
Look, what number of cents on the dollar will be recovered is something I know, but it's cents on the dollar, not dollars.
Okay, so now we have.
So guys, what do you think? Comment, guys. I love to watch you. How long should Sam Bankman-Fried get if he is able to plea a deal? Should it be 10 years, 20 years, 30, 40, 50 years? And will retail investors see light of day? Will they see money out there? I would love to hear what you got to say about that, guys. What else is coming in? Looks like the number of large transactions on BTC network with a value greater than 100,000 just hit a new year low of 8,040 transactions. This indicates low whales and institutional investors activity around and on the BTC network. So, guys, we're seeing a huge cooling off. And I think that December this year has really turned out into a wait December. And I think people are just They've kind of given up on this year, and they're absolutely waiting out there, to see what happens. And guys, remember, if you do have crypto that's underwater, what you can do to avoid a big tax hit is you sell it now, book the loss, and then within a couple minutes buy it all back. So you can show that as that is I believe a way to reduce your tax burden on crypto, guys. I'm not sure, guys. Do some research on that. I did hear that. I don't know if it's true or not, but guys, do some research on that. That is a way to maybe to reduce your tax burden, guys. Also, watch out for a lot of deep fake videos of Elon Musk, and we're seeing more and more of these deep fake videos out on different media platforms out there. So, guys, watch out for them. There's a lot of scammers out there, guys. And even though crypto's down, we're still seeing a lot of more scammer, whammer, bammers out there, and they're preying on you and me because a lot of people lost money in crypto, and they know that people are very easy. The humans out there are very easy and can sometimes be gullible. So that is why do your own research, do your own fact checking, do your own background. If it sounds too good to be true, it ain't true, guys. It's not true, guys. So there's nothing get rich quick in crypto, guys. Crypto is about very time in the market, dollar cost averaging, and it's very, very difficult to time the tops and bottoms, guys. So remember that. Also, guys, we're seeing that the Dogecoin right now. Don't forget, if you love the Dogecoin like I do, pow, smash Dogecoin 111, and we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 0.0747, and it's really not moved, guys, and it's still being supported by the 20-day moving average, this red line here. So that is good. If Doge can stay above the 21-day moving average, then there's a good chance that we could maybe finish the year at 8 cents, guys. But I have a feeling we're probably going to be in this range between 7 cents and 8 cents. I think that's going to be the range, and we could even see that range happening for most of January out there as well, unless of course Elon Musk comes in with some good news out there. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics, see what's going on out there. So we're seeing that the Dogecoin is down 1%. We're seeing that the volumes are down 42%, and unfortunately we're seeing that the market cap is down below 10 billion. And some of the big news out there looks like it's Kobosu, the real life pooch behind Dogecoin, is in dangerous health conditions. These are some of the top stories for Dogecoin right now. A lot of people are worrying about his health, and we hope that he does get better out there, guys. So that is what's going on. Looks like we could be seeing some good news for Shiba Inu holders. We could be seeing that the Shibarium could be as early as the early part of 2023. We could see it in Q1, guys. So that'd be good. That'd be a good boost. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin on the monthly and on the weekly in terms of social mentions. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is up 17%. That's not too bad on the weekly, and down and up also 8.6% in terms of social engagement. So not too shabby. We're down on the monthly, but it looks like the weekly is picking up, guys. So that is not too bad. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now has dropped all the way down to the 9th spot, guys. So that is not good, guys. Let's get it. I would appreciate it. Let's take a look at who's in the money, who's out of the money, and let's get into that right now. So, guys and gals, we are seeing that 54% are in the money and 43% are out, guys and gals. So, today was kind of a weird day. I had a video this morning, and we just got trolled, guys. We got trolled bad out there. So, guys, pow! If you love the Dogecoin, don't forget to go and smash Dogecoin 111. 5 for the community. I appreciate it. Show some love to the community and all the trolls out there. Read between the lines, guys. That's all I gotta say about that. But we got trolled bad in the first video, guys. And also, watch out for fake Twitter accounts. This is a real one, by the way. We got about 5,791 follows. Follow. I appreciate it. But there is another fake Twitter account out there, and they've been contacting and DMing a lot of the members out there and trying to scam them. So watch out for that, guys. If you want to be part of the conversation, guys, do not forget to join our Discord, guys. Get into our Discord. It is free. Go check out the winkies down below, guys. I appreciate it. Crypto on a centralized exchange. Get a hardware wallet. Excuse me. I appreciate it. So, guys, also let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba right now. So Shiba Weeby right now is also just going sideways, guys. Nothing really too humongous to report about. So that's gonna bring this quickie video to a closey woozy, guys. So also too, don't forget, guys, followers on Twitter. Also, don't forget, all the links are down there, guys. Go get it, and I would appreciate it, guys. And don't go get the merch, guys. So that's all I got, guys. It's been a long day at work today. I'm tired. I'm tuckered out. So there's only 2 videos today. I want to give a big shout out to everybody in the community out there. God bless all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.